Well, SolidWorks has improved a lot, but the core things are still there.
It still has a lot of capability. It has a surprising amount of capability, and some of the features that I use regularly today are still in 95.
Using SOLIDWORks 95 was quite different than what it's like today. A lot of the UI things were so different, like the extrude feature, sketch features. A lot of the core things in SOLIDWORks were there in 95, and that surprised me.
The one that really took me by surprise was that there was a midpoint constraint already built in. I've used a lot of current CAD packages that did not have it until very recently either.
It's amazing, the evolution of the software. As far as comparing to the current system, there's a lot more features, a lot more useful things that you can use that make modeling and sketching so much faster, simpler, and more easy to use.
The old version is so basic. I don't think it gives clients probably the functionality that we require for the difficult, innovative products that we need to create these days. So I think the new versions are amazing. I think it unlocks some creativity in the industry because it gives lots of flexibility in the type of designs that people are able to create. And there's a lot of tools and additional functions when it comes to simulation and all of that, which makes it great.
I teach at a design school, so they have very just crazy organic designs, and I try to show them exactly how to go about that through surfacing, through splines, through all kinds of organic methods, and so I'm not sure if any of that would be possible back, in the 95 version, of course.
In 95, it wasn't even a consideration to do a complex model like that. So it's night and day.
The amount of change in the software over 30 years is amazing, but that's a good thing, progress.
From a standpoint of SOLIDWORks 95 to the evolution and now, it really is night and day. When you compare them directly, even graphically, interface-wise, even the number of buttons is just right there, lets you know that this product has evolved incredibly over the decades.